Oh, look, somebody got a 356 down there. Look, a gray with the blue top.
Sirius XM.
Somebody has a TDF F12 over there. Look, Neil. What they're doing now is they're putting the exotic cars, it looks like, down at the other.
That was here last week.
What?
Or yeah, last time we came here.
Oh, look at the TSI. Jetta.
Why? What is our TSI here?
I don't know.
There should not be. John Cooper works exactly like the one I have, actually. It's very surprising. Some McLarens, 570S, 212Cs. Nice. Nice. Good. It's good. Another Corvette. Just the usual. Some Ferraris. There's that. What is that?
What?
What is that?
Who's that or what's that?
What's that?
Ariel Adam.
Okay. I have to go look at that. I have to go look at the GP.
Now, see, if we had our goddamn whatchamacallit, we'd be able to,
We have the Waluigi car. We have the Waluigi car, even though it's the wrong shade of purple.
look at all these, A8s, or R8s.
Wow. Then we have a V10 Plus. I have a V10. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
$5.99.
$5.99.
Check this out. Check this 356 out.
356 Porsche.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Except for those ugly wheel covers.
Another Z06. Right. And Popper here.
Nana and Papa.
GTS. Another Jeep High.
Boxster.
That's all 500 Boxster. Cayman 4. And now we're just going around. Tesla. A few Teslas. Goodbye, Teslas.
Look at him. Almost an Evo.
Ha. Ha-has. You is not Evos. Ha. Hoo hee ha ha. Hee hoo ha. Hee hoo. Hee hoo hee. Hee. Mini, another one. Mustang. Mazda. I have a Mazda like that. Actually, the 1990 Mazda. This is Camaro. Camaro Porsche. Two more Porsches over here. to Aston's. I want to go look at that. And I think that's a Caterham over there. I can't tell though.
Yep.
Ah, nice. Caterham too. I want to go look at that. I have that Lotus green with the two yellow stripes for mine. So I gotta go look at that. I think that might be the chocolate bar one. Okay, we parking right here. Hello, sir. You can't park here. Get out. This is our
That's a
spot.
ma'am, not a sir.
I don't care. Get out.
Alright, how much? Open that door so I could see where the stripe is.
There's the stripe.
Let me move over.
Okay, then. I forgot to put a disclaimer. I'm gonna have to do that. And this video is gonna be split into 2 parts. Okay. Oh god. Oh, it's nice to stress. Not stress. Stress is bad.
How cold is it out there?
Not really cold at all. Even though this guy's terrible. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. So, I was gonna do a beginning segment and an ending segment. This is gonna be split into 2 parts, as I have already said. This is going to be split into 2 parts for the 3rd time. Do a drinking game with how many times I say this is going to be split into 2 parts. You'll be dead by minute 5. So it's going to be split into 2 parts. Jesus! You already know it's going to be split into 2 parts. We get it. So the first part will be me looking around at some cars, like this one, the GP. GP with the really weird looking wheels. And then the other half will be cars when they start leaving. I'm going to be standing up there where they're leaving. Be catching them on camera. Okay, so first things first, let's go check out some cars. And S2000 and Tesla. I know my argument with Tesla is questionable at best. There's a 570S here, I think. But yeah, it's 570S. I'm stupid. Not bad. It's 570S. 570S. So 570S here. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. But anyways, my argument with Tesla, some would say very, very slim. Plenty. Bentley. Hello, Bentley. Oh. What the freak is that? Caterham. It's Caterham. But what else do you want? It's Caterham. It's Caterham. What else do you want? It's Caterham.
Did you get the sticker?
Yeah. Okay. Next up on the list. Jesus, it's freezing out here. Oh god. I think this long shirt is gonna protect me any longer. Ugh, it's freezing out here. I don't like it. Ooh. Okay, on to the next car, a Porsche 4.0 Porsche. Oh god. And then next up we have the Waluigi car. Wah. We have the Waluigi car. Waluigi car. And then we have the V10 Plus. V10 Plus. I want to die. My V10 Plus. Really cool. Okay, we have an Audi here. I think I want to do a more in detailed look at these cars. Sorry for the camera shaking a bit. It's freaking freezing out here. Oh, I'm freezing at this point. Holy crap, I think I might want to get a video of these cars coming in. They're flying up in here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Nice. Guys, do a good job. Okay. Get up as close as you can when these guys are flying in here. Okay. So whenever the recording cuts to me being out of storage, I'm gonna upload that one part and then the other part will come out. I'll delete that video. No more noise. Darn it, Jeep Cherokee, you tricked me. You made me think you were something good. Okay, pause the video till the next car comes. Is that a Mariana? Is that a Mariana? No, that's not Mariana. No, that's not. No, that's not a Mariana. I'm just stupid. My bad. Car's coming. Car. Car's leaving. Car's leaving. Car. I just have to say that. Probably won't do anything going down, but. Yeah, I didn't think so. It's way too early for cars to be leaving. Nice. Nice, dude. Hi there. Ooh, Hellcat. Oh no, Super Beam, my bad. Super Beam, my bad. Golf GTI? It doesn't really matter. It's nice to see anyway. It's Can-Am. Woohoo. Made a lot of noise, guys. Look at that Porsche! And that other Porsche! I most definitely won't step on it, but... Look. That was disappointing. Disappointing, guys. Okay, I guess we're doing some of the cars leaving in this segment, too, I guess. Okay, then. Like this guy. And then this guy coming in. Don't ruin my shot, please. Thank you. So he's turning, so he's going out this way. Wanna hear something? Oh. Okay, now we're getting into the good stuff. Do you see that? That is most certainly going to turn in here. Yes! Oh, yes! I can't wait until that thing leaves. I'm just going to follow that thing all the way down. The trees. Just stopped. Is that an SRT Durango? Okay, have fun. That's an SRT Durango. Let's see what this thing does. If it does anything. sounded good, mate. Jesus. Sounded like I was about to die. Porsche, 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 Porsche. Bye-bye. Bye, have a nice trip. I'm just gonna watch this guy. Probably not gonna do anything, but I'll watch him anyway. Look at that determined face on him. He is going to most certainly drive. Thanks, Mercedes, for ruining my shot. If he does anything, I'll be surprised. Nope. Nope. A bunch of cars and a Prius just ruined it. Oh, look at that. There's a motorcycle person. There's a motorcycle person gonna come in. Hope he does. Yeah, dude. Wow. Look at him flying. And he got blocked up by the pole. Sorry, dude. Going to bring that back down now, because I don't like doing this. It's 16 minutes long. This is the first segment. Get ready to have a freaking hour-long video. Jesus. I'm surprised my phone has this much storage to be able to do this. Okay, now I'm gonna just pause the video now. Okay, so I'm just about ready to wrap this one up. So, got some cars coming in, got some cars coming out. If there's anything else, I'll, I guess, have 3 parts. If you want to, I'll make this 3-part series. I'm looking at one person to comment on this. That one person is most definitely the awesome emoji. He loves this kind of crap. I know he does. Comment, awesome emoji. I'm watching you. You better comment something. Hey, I got your favorite car, the frickin' V10 Plus. You better comment something. And then I'll make a 3rd part. 12C. McLaren 12C. So these cars are going to be fun to watch when they leave. I'm just going to tell you that right now. So definitely please vote on a part 3. Because, I mean, we got a whole bunch of BMW performance. Oh, my bad. I'm not up here. That sucks. I guess I'm going to have to watch them from here because I can't go up there. I don't know. I guess they think I'm going to get run over or some crap. So, I can't go up there, so sadly I wanted to show the cross shot of them, like, swerving through the turns. Oh. Jesus. Okay, well, I was just standing. You just don't even vote. Just don't even vote on part 2. It's just not even going to happen. Because these guys, they don't step on it right here. And I have to be behind that sign. I have to be behind that sign, so. Great. It's fantastic. Great. 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 I had an idea. But great. You know what? No, just throw it down the drain. I don't care. I don't freaking care. Fine, let's go behind the sign. Let's go behind the freaking sign. Definitely didn't ruin my fun. Oh. This is the sign I cannot go past. Ah, flip. That just completely ruined it all. Hey, at least I got some kind of footage of being up there. I should be allowed to be here. You said behind the sign. That's where I am. See? I love it. They kick me right as all the good stuff starts coming in. A 570S. Actually, no, that's 6 of what?
See the sign?
Mm-hmm.
You can't be filming these cars coming in or leaving. You have to film them as they park.
Oh.
Because it encouraged them to do things we don't want them to do here. They're not allowed to do, like burn out, take off. We enjoy them in here. So over there you can take pictures. Here you can't take pictures as you're coming or leaving.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.